BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Vivaldi once again is quick to get the latest Chromium security fixes that have rolled out recently for Google Chrome. And as I've mentioned previously, I have found that they are quite fast at getting these security fixes before the other Chromium-based web browsers also get the same security updates. Now, over and above the Chromium security fixes that have rolled out, once again, Vivaldi has taken this opportunity to push out a couple of other fixes, which they are known to do. And before we have a look at the security updates, just to mention the bug fixes and improvements that have rolled out. If you are using the built-in calendar, then they have rolled out a fix for the calendar freezing. So if you experienced any freezing issues, that has now been addressed. And for Linux, they've received a couple of improvements in the browser for Linux users, and also a fix where all windows were closing when a pop-up was closed. So that's also been addressed. And there's also a translate issue that's been fixed where Spanish wasn't suggested in the translation dialog and menu. And if you're using the built-in mail, apparently there was a large message in Outbox on startup which was blocking further sending. That has also been addressed. So we've got a calendar and a mail fix that's rolled out. Now, first of all, because we are dealing with important security issues, it's time to double check your browser's up to date. So if you are using Windows, we head to Help in the menu, check for updates. And once the update has been applied, if we head over to the About page, the browser version is now sitting on 6.5.3206.57. And the Chromium platform, which is still on version 120. All the other Chromium-based web browsers are starting to move up to 121, but Vivaldi is still on 120. And it's the opposite with the Chromium platform. Although they are quick to get the security fixes, I have noticed that Vivaldi is last at updating their Chromium platform in most cases. Now, this update pushes that to 120.0.6099.270. And just to do a quick recap, if you missed the Google Chrome video I posted earlier today, there are 17 security fixes that have rolled out. And although there are no 0 days that have already been exploited in the wild, we get 3 high risk, which is your second highest after a critical vulnerability. And all 3 high-risk vulnerabilities are common exploits. So that's integer overflow in WebUR, inappropriate implementation in inaccessibility, and use after free in web audio. And all of those high-risk vulnerabilities basically get patched on a regular basis in the Chromium-based web browser. So there you have it. The latest security fixes from the Chromium project and also a couple of bug fixes have rolled out earlier today on the 24th of January for Vivaldi. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.